Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Epic Roots. Throughout my travels, I have stayed in many hotels, but today I am excited to show you something truly special. A cozy cottage in the heart of the jungle. This incredible place called Deer Valley is nestled deep in the Adirondack Mountains, surrounded by dense forests. It's my first time staying in a cottage like this, and I must say, the experience is amazing. The peaceful atmosphere, the fresh mountain air, and the thrill of spotting deer make it even more special. I couldn't wait to explore the entire area. Now, let's step inside the cottage. As you enter, there is a small space for clothing, followed by a well organized cabinet, a comfortable bed, a cozy sitting area, a basin, and everything arranged neatly. The washroom is compact but clean and well maintained, just perfect for a stay like this. Overall, the room is great, but what truly steals the show is the breathtaking location. I absolutely love it. Stay tuned for adventures. Hope you all are likes my video. Please like, subscribe and share and stay with me. Thank you. Tata.